Welcome to the CP2 overview for temporary structures. For this topic we'll be covering formwork and falsework. Falsework is defined as a framework or structure of a temporary nature for the support of materials, equipment or a construction assembly while it is not self-supporting. Okay, a bit of a mouthful. For this session we'll be looking at examples of different types of falsework, how they're constructed and the variety of systems common in the construction industry. Formwork is defined as a structure, usually of a temporary nature, used to contain, mould and support poured concrete until it's able to support itself. There's a subtle difference between formwork and falsework, and this image shows this. In other words, falsework often supports formwork and formwork supports the concrete. For formwork, we'll be looking at a range of traditional and proprietary systems for commercial projects. We'll look at different types of formwork used for beams and columns, walls and floors. We'll study how these are constructed and how they are supported, and how they are removed as well. We'll look at approved codes of practice for construction, and we'll also look at some really advanced systems like sliding formwork for large construction. Of course, there's always a very important topic of safety, and we'll be looking at some New Zealand codes of practice that guide construction experts in the procedures for ensuring safety and acceptable processes. As usual, we'll cover more detail in the lecture and the activity. Thanks again for watching and see you in class.